a bird? Glide and swoop, birds. Loop-de-loop, birds. Float and soar, birds. If you wanna be a bird.
Did you ever wonder what it would be like to be a bird? Just think, you could fly away whenever you want, floating and soaring, loop-de-looping, feeling the wind in your face, winning the race, because birds are fast, and they flock together, no matter the weather. What great friends to have. Maybe, if you found out what it was like to be a bird, you'd want to be one.
If you wanna be a bird, glide and swoop, birds. Loop-de-loop, birds. Float and soar, birds. If you wanna be a bird, bob and weave, birds. In the trees, birds. Whirl and twirl, birds. If you wanna be a bird, strut your stuff, birds. Looking tough, birds. Puff and puff, birds. If you wanna be a bird, move with grace, birds. Fly with pace, birds. Wind in your face, birds. Birds, if you wanna be a bird. If you wanna be a bird, turn and glance, birds. Hop and dance, birds. Pose and prance, birds. If you wanna be a bird, flock together, birds. No matter the weather, birds. Light as a feather, birds. Birds, if you wanna be a bird, show your crest, birds. Do your best, birds. Build a nest, birds. If you wanna be a bird. If you wanna be a bird, circle around, birds. Up and down, birds. Fly to town, birds. If you wanna be a bird. If you wanna be a bird, spread your wings, birds. Call and sing, birds. Jump like springs, birds. Birds, if you wanna be a bird.
Birds have a lot of energy. They hop and dance, pose and prance. But if they get tired, they can float and soar before diving and swooping. Swooping is one of my favorites. What's your favorite bird move? If you want to be a bird, you can spread your wings and find out.
Spread your wings, birds. Call and sing, birds. Jump like springs,